Two of the tools sitting in every single engineering stack on Earth just picked up one replacement, and it costs absolutely nothing. It is called Buzz. Block is the company that actually built it, and the whole thing went out in the open on July 21st. And 2 weeks after that, the repository had already sailed clean past 22,000 stars on its own. And underneath every part of it, there is one idea. Every message, every commit, every automated step is the exact same signed object, because right now, that stack is 3 separate vendors and 3 separate invoices, a chat bill, a code hosting bill, and whatever the assistant costs. Buzz folds all 3 of those down into a single relay that a team starts up for itself. One process, one database, and one place where the work actually lives. Channels, threads, direct messages, canvases, media, search, and a complete audit log all work today, right now, in the version anybody can download. The relay itself is Rust the whole way down, split across a workspace of crates, with Postgres holding every event and Redis moving them all around between the clients. And every part of that runs on hardware the team already controls. No seats to buy, no vendor holding the archive, nothing leaving the building. Now here's the part that genuinely matters. Today, an assistant inside a chat tool posts through a token it borrowed from some human being's account. Inside Buzz, it holds a cryptographic key pair entirely of its own. It is not acting on behalf of somebody else at all. It simply is somebody. Now, Claude Code plugs straight into that over one open protocol. So does Codex, and so does Goose, which Block already builds itself. So when an agent reviews a piece of code, the signature sitting on top of that review is the agent's own key, not a person's key, quietly borrowed for the afternoon. Every single entry in that log takes exactly the same shape whoever made it. The only thing separating a person from an agent is which key signed it. That is the whole idea. An agent is a member of the workspace with real permissions, not an integration bolted on the side. The same trick runs the Git side of it. Open a branch and a channel appears for it, so the work and the arguing about it share one room. A patch is a signed event in exactly the same way. It sits in the very same log as all of the messages, and it carries the same proof of precisely who wrote it. The relay serves Git over completely ordinary smart HTTP, so cloning and pushing both work with the Git already sitting on the machine. And the review ends up happening where the discussion already is. A person marks one hunk, an agent marks another. And the approval lands right there too. None of that needs a GitHub account at all. The repository, the review, and the history all come out of the relay the team runs. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this. Now, back to the video. Worth putting some real numbers against all of this. Slack lists $7.25 a seat a month. GitHub lists 4, so a single seat runs to $11.25. On a team of just 50 people, that comes out at $6,750 across the first year alone before anybody upgrades. The other path costs absolutely nothing at all to license. What it does cost is Docker, a fairly recent Rust, a recent node, and then 3 more services sitting underneath. So the license genuinely is zero. The bill just moves straight across to backups, upgrades, and somebody carrying a pager at 3 in the morning. Now for the part most of the launch coverage skipped straight past. This thing is only weeks old and the version number is not pretending otherwise. Rate limiting is a trait and a test stub. 4 separate tiers are designed out on paper and nothing in the codebase is enforcing a single one of them. Approval gates are in worse shape again. The endpoints are all there, but a run that reaches one gets marked as failed instead of waiting for an answer. 2 of the workflow actions sit right there in the schema and simply return not implemented. So any run that happens to reach either one of them falls straight over at that step. And the mobile clients are still being wired up rather than actually shipped to anybody. So this is very much a desktop product today and nothing else. So nothing at all is getting replaced this quarter. Whatever the headline said at the time. But the piece that is genuinely hard to copy is the piece that already works. An agent holding a key of its very own quietly changes what a workspace even is. Worth watching closely from here.